Let's see this question. And the question says that which of the following molecule deviates from the octet rule with respect to the central atom? PCl3, H2S, NH3 or XeF4. So the key concept of this question is the octet rule. And according to this rule, every valence shell must contain 8 electrons. So on the basis of this concept, let's do our question. So first of all, PCl3. Central atom. And then the valence electrons of the central atom. Further, electrons shared by side atom. And then at the last, total number of electrons. So for PCl3, central atom is phosphorus, and then valence electrons in phosphorus is 5. And electron shared by the side atom, that is hydrogen, it's 3. So total number of electrons are 8. That means इसमें तो octet complete हो गया, तो ये octet rule को follow कर रहा है. And next, if I talk about H2S, so the central atom is sulfur. And for sulfur, valence electrons are 6. And then 2 electrons are shared by 2 hydrogens. So in total, electrons are 8. तो यहाँ पर भी हमारा जो octet है वो complete हो चुका है. Next, if I talk about ammonia, central atom is nitrogen. And the valence electrons for nitrogen are 5. Then the electrons shared by the side atom are 3, each by 1 hydrogen. And the total electrons will be 8. Next, if I talk about XeF4. So the central atom here is Xe. And then valence electrons in xenon will be 8 as it is a noble gas. And then the number of electrons shared by the side atom will be 1 as it is a halogen. But since 4 fluorines are present, so it will be 4. Total will be 12. So here in this case of the XeF4, more than 8 electrons are coming. So it is not following the octet rule, or it is deviated from octet rule. So that means option D is the correct answer.